If you're ready for an unforgettable adventure in the Seychelles, but don't know how to go about renting a yacht, this video is for you. Here, I'll take you step by step through the process of booking a yacht online, showing you how to pick the right vessel for your needs, understand the pricing, and what to expect from each service option. By the end, you'll have the confidence and know how to book your dream yacht trip with ease. First, you'll want to browse the available yachts. You'll notice a range of sizes and types, from cozy options for intimate gatherings to larger yachts, suitable for families or groups. The filtering options are handy for narrowing down choices by capacity, yacht type, and amenities. Once you select the yacht, check its features, such as cabins, available equipment, and onboard extras. These details help you understand what you're getting and what may incur extra charges. When reviewing the costs, keep in mind that yacht rentals typically come with several pricing elements. This price covers the rental itself, but you may need to consider add-ons such as fuel, skipper services, and docking fees. Some rentals have an all-inclusive rate, while others break down each charge. Carefully review the breakdown to avoid surprises. One of the advantages of this booking platform is the transparency in pricing. It shows the specific costs, so there's no mystery about your final price. If you're interested in additional services, like guided sailing or assistance from experienced crew members, there's an option to select them during the booking process. This is a great option if you're new to sailing or simply want to relax and leave the logistics to the professionals. The site also provides information on what each service includes, so you know exactly what to expect. Want to book a yacht? Check the link in the description to get started today. One of the perks of this booking platform is the ease of use. The interface is simple and intuitive, even if you're new to yacht rentals. You'll get a detailed itinerary, including pickup locations, drop-off points, and any specific guidelines. You can also reach customer support if you have any questions during the booking process, making it straightforward and accessible. If you're wondering about the downsides, the main consideration is seasonal pricing. Yachts in Seychelles may cost more during peak seasons, so booking in advance or traveling in the off-season could help you save. Additionally, availability can be limited during holidays, so planning ahead is key. Ready to set sail? Follow my link in the description to book your yacht now and start planning your Seychelles adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides, and if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up.